Today we added a two-digit number with a two-digit number, and this one was a tricky one, and I'll explain why. So I'm going to show you two quick ways that we could have solved this problem. The first way is the picture way. So I can just draw 35 and then add 38 more. So here's my 35, 10, 20, 30, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then I'm going to draw 38 and watch what I do with my ones. So I'm going to draw 38, 3 tens, 1, 2, 3, and then I'm going to draw 8 more ones. And I'm going to group them with my other ones up here so that if I have to regroup or if I see a group of 10, I can circle them up. So I'm going to draw 8 ones, but I'm going to do X's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Because my picture is so neat and organized, I can see 5 and 5 right here, which make 10. So I'm going to circle that up. That makes a 10. Now I can see 6 tens and another 10, so 7 tens or 70 and 3 extra ones. So my answer should be 73. So there's the picture. Now let's take a look at the stacking way where we show the value of each number. So 30 is made up of 30 and 5, 35 is made up of 30 and 5, 38 is made up of 30 and 8. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to have 30 plus 5, and then I'm going to add 30 plus 8, and I'm going to group my 10s on top of each other and group my 1s on top of each other. So this one might be a little tricky. 8 plus 5, you're going to want to use a strategy. So you could do, I'm going to pull it down here. I'm going to break up my 8 into 5 and 3. You know why? Because I could make a 10 here. So there's 10 and 3, which is 13. Okay? And then I have 30 and 30, which is 60, or 3 tens, 3 tens, which is 6 tens, which is 60. Now I have 60 plus 13, and you might be thinking, man, that's hard. But we know that 13 is made up of 10 and 3. So now we could do 60 plus 10 plus 3. So we just broke up our 13 so we can group our 10s together. 60 and 10 make 70, plus 3 more makes 73. So we had a picture, which if this is what you feel comfortable with right now, you can use this. But if you feel like you can start doing this, I want you to start doing this. And the only hard part will be figuring out how to add those ones together. But we learned a lot of strategies for adding one-digit numbers in the beginning of the school year. Doubles, near doubles, make a 10. You should be using those type of strategies to add your ones when you get a lot of ones. This is a problem that has regrouping because you have too many ones and you have to group 10 of them together and make a bundle of 10. So it's called regrouping. It's hard because you have a lot of ones in the ones place and that can get confusing. So make sure you're choosing a strategy and doing that to solve the problems.